Hi students, hi viewers. Your encouragement is our inspiration. After a long time, I'm coming back to you to make this video. Today in this video, I would like to cover you the kinds of verbs. There are different bases of categorizing the verbs. The first basis of the verb to form, categorize the verbs, okay, is the role they played, the basis of role played. Second one, the basis of strength, basis of object, basis of changeability. Let us see the first one, basis of role played. How we categorize the verbs, basis of role played. Let us see. The first one, basis of the role played. On the basis of role that a verb plays in a sentence, it is divided into two kinds. They are main verb and auxiliary verb. Main verbs tell us about the action. They are called action verbs. They tell us action, state, condition and possession. As you can see with all the examples, you can understand without the use of helping verbs, main verbs are used in the sentence. Sometimes in some examples you can see some of the helping verbs are working as a main verbs. Okay, we know that helping verbs also work as a main verb. So I have taken two of the examples as a main verb. Okay, helping verbs as a main verb. Okay, let us see. The farmers sell their surplus paddy in the market. Okay, sell is here representing the main verb without the use of auxiliary verb. Okay, film stars are good actors. Here, are is not at all helping verb. It is a main verb, which tells about the condition or state of the noun. Okay, nowadays everyone has a cell phone. Has here is a helping verb or auxiliary. Okay, it is a possessive verb. Okay, right. It has a possession. It tells about the possession of the subject. Alexander intended to conquer the world. Intended is a verb, main verb. It is a fact of the subject. Okay, it tells about the fact of nouns or pronouns used as a subject. Okay, so here in these all examples you can see that some are main verbs, some are auxiliaries. Okay, we know that that helping verbs are also used as main verbs. Okay, let us see the second one, auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. I have taken a few examples, okay, with all the helping verbs in sentences. Okay, let us see so that you can understand. So before we learn about these auxiliary verbs, there are 24 helping verbs or auxiliaries in our English language. They are fixed and permanent. I made a video, better okay, have a look into it so that you will understand for your progress in English. Okay, so what are the helping verbs that are fixed and permanent? They are be forms, have forms, do forms and modal verbs. Primary auxiliary, modal auxiliary. We know that the categorization of these auxiliaries into two, they are primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. Primary auxiliaries are 11 in number and 13 in number. They are modal auxiliary. Okay, I let you know. Is, am, are, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, had, will, would, can, could, shall, should, may, might, ought to, used to, need, dare, must. Okay, these are a few helping verbs that never ever change. They are fixed and permanent. Okay, let us see the examples how they are used in a sentence. Okay, I do not like chocolates, but I do like ice creams. Okay, right. Do here is a helping verb and supporting the main verb like. Okay, it is giving sense for the main verb. So my brother can deliver an impressive speech. can deliver, and it is can is a helping verb here, and make the sense for the main verb, helping the main verb. Mothers will make their home beautiful. Their home beautiful. Mothers will make their home beautiful. Yes, we agree this statement. This will is a helping verb, and helping the main verb make. Okay. So another one, fourth one. Fathers would take care of their family. Their family. Fathers will take care of their family. Okay. So this is also undeniable fact. Okay. So here would is supporting the main verb and giving the sense. Okay. So with all these examples, you can better understand basis of role that verb play in a sentence, or main verb and auxiliary verbs. Okay. On the basis of object, verbs are categorized into two: transitive verbs, intransitive verbs. Verbs can be studied or known by their objects. Action verbs, which require object to receive action, they are called transitive verbs. Example: dacoits looted people on the highway. Principal appointed me the in charge of teachers. Parents bring their children gifts. Here in these three examples, you can see some direct objects, some indirect objects. So action passes from subject to object. Object in the first example is people. Second example, me. Third example, we have two objects: direct object, indirect object. Okay, right. So action pass to objects. So it is said to be transitive verb. Looted, appointed, bring. These three verbs are transitive verbs, as they have object and action passed on to them. So they are called transitive verbs. The second one, action verbs which do not require object to receive action, they are said to be intransitive verbs. You can see here the three examples, that these verbs in the three examples do not have any object, because the action of those verbs is limited to their subjects. So the verbs are called intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs do not have any object after them, but still they make sense in a sentence. Okay. Example: she smiled on seeing him. She smiled. Smiled is verb. Okay. The action, okay, does not pass on to the object, as it does not have any object. Okay. Just she smiled on seeing him. On seeing him is a phrase. Okay. She has been working overtime to make ends meet. He has been working overtime. No object at all. To make ends meet, it is also a phrase. The sun is shining brightly. There is no object for this sentence, because the action of these verbs, okay, is limited to their subjects. Okay. So we call them smiled, has been working, is shining, or intransitive verbs. Okay. So here you can understand smiled, has been working, is shining, or intransitive verbs because they do not have any object after them, but still they make sense. Okay. On the basis of consistency or inconsistency, verbs are categorized into two. They are strong verbs, weak verbs. The verbs whose past and past participle forms show irregularity of vowel sound are called strong verbs. For example, in the present tense and past tense past participle forms I have taken for some words of verbs. Come, came, come. So irregularity is found here. Steal, stole, stolen. Irregularity of vowel sound. Shake, shook, shaken. Drive, drove, driven. Of all these verbs of examples show irregularity in their vowel sound. So they are considered strong verbs. Let us come to the second one. The verbs whose past, present and past participles forms show regularity of the vowel sound are said to be weak verbs. I have taken some words of verbs for showing regularity in the vowel sound. Present, past participles. Cut, cut, cut. So regularity is found here. Vowel sound. Put, put, put. Hit, hit, hit. Work, worked, worked. So no inconsistency is found. Only consistency and regularity is found in the vowel sound of these verbs. Okay, so they are said to be weak verbs. Okay, so we have on the basis of strength, verbs are categorized strong verbs, weak verbs. Okay, on the basis of changeability, verbs are categorized into two types. They are finite verbs and non-finite verbs. Verbs that are subjected to change according to their subject in number, person and tense are said to be finite verbs. Example, we, I, they listen to music. He, she listens to music because present tense changed. Verb listen to listens, it's changed. We, I, they, he, she listened to music. In past tense, it is changed to listened. So verb gets some changeability in the forms according to their number in number, according to their subject in number, person and tense. Okay, right. The verbs that are not subjected to change according to their subject in number and person are said to be non-finite verbs. Here you can see some of the examples for non-finite verbs. I want to become an IAS officer. We want to become IAS officers. I wanted to become an IAS officer. See the tense, see the tense, see the number, see the person. So there will be no impact on the non-finite verb to become, becomes for everyone the same. I like boating in the river. He, she likes boating in the river. The form of verb ing, okay, ing form of the verb here remains the same, unchangeable for its number and tense. Okay, so here the last one, they, I, we have been working in the deserted village. This is past participle form of verb. Okay, so it is a non-finite verb. So to become, boating, deserted, all examples of non-finite verbs. So here we are going to learn about the importance of participles, to infinitives and gerunds. Okay, let us see about the three important forms of non-finite verbs: to infinitives, past participle, present participle, perfect participle, how they work as a participle and gerunds. We will see in the next video. Thank you, children. Thank you for listening, for encouraging me. Please subscribe, comment, and share this video to all of your friends so that they will also get benefited by this video. Thank you very much.